today's video. We're visiting Meihan Sportsland for the first time. We're going in a real drift car. We're visiting the biggest home improvement store in all of Japan, and we're eating a lot of good food along the way. I'm Joey. Like you, I spent all my free time driving an Assetto Corsa or watching car YouTubers. Noriaro, Albo, Samet, and Adam LZ, inspiring me to quit my corporate job in Florida and move to Osaka, Japan. Now, I attend a Japanese language school and spend my free time driving my dream car, exploring Japan's mountain roads, restaurants, and racetracks. I started this channel to share my JDM experience. I no longer watch the YouTubers, I am the YouTuber. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, like, and comment for more. Just loaded up on snacks, got lots of drinks, got my first coffee of the day. We're heading to Mayhem. Just made it. It is a hot one today. A little bit of coolant, not a lot of it, so you know, she survived it this far. About a 2.5 hour drive over here. Meihan Seacourse, the one and only. Well, that's not good. This is D-Max Racing Team. They're out here for a practice day, and they have their Mark V Supra with some kind of older motor in it, maybe a 2JZ, I'm not too sure, the big turbo. And they were practicing on C-course, and they were in a corner, and their suspension was at full lock, meaning the wheel was turned as much as it could, and they hit a big curb, and it snapped part of the suspension geometry, keeping the knuckle together, and so that's what came apart.
Injector 3071. It's like a 6-boost Australian. We put an F-con in and tuned it. The motor's as I bought it, I don't know anything about the engine. And we did a RV25 gearbox conversion.
Okay, RV25 gearbox, very nice.
Still the same front mount part, I put a oil cooler and stuff like that.
Very nice. And when you bought it with the angle and the coilovers and like the body kit, or you did all that?
I put B-knuckle 2.5 in there.
Very nice.
I put the wheels on it, I did a 5-stud conversion.
Very nice.
I did a 4.6 2-way D-Max coilovers.
Very nice.
And then we tuned it at Satoshi's conversion. I think it made 390 PS, whatever that is.
Very cool. Brought this all the way from America, finally gonna use it. you live from Meihan Course. If you're watching, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment what I should do next. Got the car packed up, got all my goods, gonna head to a konbini and gas station and relax, get some food. Long hour and a half drive, we made it. Look at the size of this building. Holy shit. Look at the size of this place. Some things I need while I'm here. I need a small little toolkit that has maybe a ratchet, screwdriver, some other things like that. I need super glue, and I need like electrical tape and something for the trunk to secure everything when I put stuff in it, and maybe a little cooler. Hell yeah, an American brand. Tools, tools, tools. They just got everything here. Aisles and aisles of stuff and things and doodads and who's what's it. Oh wow, 55 yen? Like 30 cents? Wow. I've seen this place on Instagram many times, but I've never been, and the videos on Instagram do not do it justice how big it is. It does not get the sense of scale. Metal and copper. Oh, yep, they got the camera for the copper aisle. Do they have my car? Oh wow, it's lit over here. We're on our way out. I got this, and I bailed on the rest of the stuff. I didn't want to spend the money.